Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. You're here with Kiki Kathy, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing of two Boxycharm base box. This is both April base box, and I want to show you guys what I got. Anyways, without no further ado, let's start my boxes. Okay, Japan. This one is this versus this. So my base box are freaking amazing. I actually got both of the Benefit primers, which is a hydrate and also a pore primer. So I'm really excited about this one because I got both of them. And do you know how much this? This pretty much paid for my boxes. So this just made me amazing. Made me feel good. So this one is actually a hydrate primer. So this is a hydrating one. It also does the minimizing the looks of your pores. I haven't really tried this. This is like the newest one. I've tried the other one. It also says this is a 12-hour hydration, so that's pretty cool. This I've used this already. It has like a silicone type of texture. Oh, you know what? Let's open this one because I feel like this might be like a little more of a gel like, but this one has like a silicone type of texture, and it really blurs my pores. It's just really good for minimizing the pores. See, this is it. It's in a tube. Open. Oh, it's almost the same as that. Oh, okay. Okay, the color of this almost the same as the color of the other one, but the other one you can tell right away when you touch it that it has that silicone feeling. This one is like that, and if you rub it, it feels like a moisturizer, like a gel. That's pretty nice. Even on my hand, it actually feels good. So excited to use both of these. Well, this one especially because I've never tried it. That's both. Both of the boxes got this brush set from Lavish. Let's open them up. They look like rainbow colors, neon rainbow colors. There we go. That's what we got. We got a blending brush. This is a tapered blending brush. This is a spoolie. Actually tells you what's in it. It says brow groomer. This one is a small eye shading, which is eyeshadow brush. And this one is a pencil brush. And this one is, what is it called in here? A fine liner brush. I like it. The bristles are soft. It's pretty cool that they're colored, but I just don't like this one because one of them is already out like that. But I mean, you can always cut it if you want. I don't know if I'm gonna like this one because if that started and if it keeps doing that for a liner, that's not gonna be good to use if you're doing your eyeliner. Well, I hope that's just because the way it's inside the bag. So let's hope that that's not going to affect the actual use of it. So I got both the primers, both the brushes. So the brushes makes me excited all the time, especially the eye brushes, because I love doing a lot of makeup looks, and a lot of brushes makes the job a lot easier. Anyways, moving on. This is the choice from the base box that I did is Elemis Hydration Juice. This is also like a moisturizer. This one, the palette, the Zubia palette. So this one's, I was excited because I already know what I'm getting. So these are the ones that you, like if you subscribe, you're gonna know at least one of your items for next month, because you're gonna be choosing which one you want to get. Let's open up the palette. So this is the Rose Golden. It's a pretty neutral palette. So I got 1, 2, 3 mattes and the rest are shimmers. So that's pretty cool. I can do a little bit of swatches. I'll give you the mattes. It's right here. This is the Luster. It's nude. It's really pretty. It looks very pigmented and easy to blend. This is Harmony, which is like a gray matte. And lastly, this is a wonderful, this is dark brown. So those are the 3 mattes. That's the palette. And for this one, which is moisturizer, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be just like water. So pump. Don't want to do a lot. Ooh. It's a gel-like water. Okay, so if you like the moisturizer that's a gel, but like if when you blend it, when you smooth it out to your skin, it will feel like water. This is it. Smells leafy. I think I know the smell. I just don't know exactly what. But it feels nice. Skin looks hydrated there. That's amazing. No wonder it's expensive. Okay, next one. I got a makeup eraser over here. I do have one already, so I want to open this just to show you guys. But this is supposed to be makeup remover cloth. Yeah, there you go. All you have to do is just put water in it, and this is claiming that it can actually, you know, take out even a waterproof. Whoa, this is big. This is so long. I like that. I'm not too sure if the other one I have is this long, but I do have one that's just pink. This is a sunset edition, I guess. And that's pretty cool. So I've tried it already. This is actually good. It does work. It does work. It can actually take out the makeup with just water, even the waterproof. With the waterproof, I was kind of still having a hard time, just because some mascara, the waterproof actually doesn't get budged with water. So yeah. Anyways, that one is really, really nice. I love that. I love makeup eraser. And you can actually put it in, in a washing machine. So that's cool too. So you can, it's really easy. You can just put it along with your laundry and it's gonna get clean. So when I got on this box, on this one, I got the iconic London Illuminator. So this is like, kind of looks like the highlighter, with highlighter. If you like a glowy type of foundation, you can also mix this in your foundation. But look at that. It looks so pretty. I want to put it on my face. It looks more like my skin, and it's not like one of those that actually has glitters. Some stuff actually just looks like just pure glitters. This one isn't. It's more like a shimmer. It's nice. Got that one. And for the last part, I did get the Hank & Henry beauty sponges. I'm pretty excited about this one because I know he has a lot of good stuff, and the sponges are freaking nice. It's super soft. Not, I don't know how they're gonna be since I haven't wet it, but I'm not gonna wet it until later. And then I will update you, of course, in the description box how it is. Look at that. Isn't that cute? He put an owl in there. So this is actually a Midori foundation sponge. It is a full size and also a mini size. I am really excited to use this because of, you see how there's 4 cuts. There's 4 cuts. So, you know, it'll be really easy to use that over here. And even if like the corners like here. Yeah, because you can use the small one. Really, I think it's more of over here for the concealer. But this is going to be good with your contour as well. Alrighty. And then, last one on this side is I got lashes. It's from Battington Lashes. And it's... ta-da! Now, this is exciting. It looks like something I'm gonna like because this is not as thick. Oh, I don't know. Now that I'm touching it, I feel like this is something that's hard to use because the band is kind of hard. I like it when the band is clear and also like soft. This is not clear, but hey, we'll give it a whirl. I love that. Eyelashes. I'll try it. Anyways, that's everything I have. Which box do you think you would like better? Which one, if you received it, which one did you get? For me, this box is the winner, the main winner. This box is also a winner, but prefer this than this. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed unboxing this too and looking what I got. And hopefully I'll see you in my next video. If you like this, please do give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you like what you saw. And if you do subscribe, thank you so much. And I'll see you again in my next video. Babush, thank you.